Gradually building your wealth by investing slowly over the years and achieving your financial success by the time that you retire is one thing. But I have an impression that several individuals watching this video are interested in building wealth sooner rather than later. That is why today, we will unfold wealth building strategies to build generational wealth with $0. Hi there! Welcome to Usable Wisdom, where we will be showing you the latest tips and tricks in the financial space, as well as business and entrepreneurship. If you want success in your life and business, then you came to the right channel. Because we will be uploading more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more life-changing content. And without further ado, let's get it on. Building wealth, in my perspective, has three essential components or phases. And the first element is income. It is the most crucial aspect. Here, there are essentially two schools of thought. The very first school of thought contends that if you want to raise the amount of money left over after expenses, simply reduce them. Reduce your spending and you will dramatically improve your ability to save and invest. Then go save and invest. Although this is undoubtedly true, I believe it's not always practical. You may not always be able to reduce your spending. Maybe all of your expenses are necessities that you must have. Even though the first school of thought does contain some truth, it's not always practical. And as a result, it's not my preferred school of thought. The second school of thought contends that if your monthly expenses are increasing and you don't have any money left over to save and invest, you should simply work harder by having other streams of income. If your income rises while your expenses remain unchanged, you'll have more money to save and invest at the end of each month. To generate more money, that's the school of thought I recommend. Because the most critical factor in dramatically expanding your wealth is to make more money. But how do you increase your earnings? To demonstrate, envision how to make money as a pyramid. The pyramid has several tiers. Working for someone else is the lowest level of earning money. Most people are now seated in this position. As you progress up the ladder, the going gets a little tougher, but your earnings increase as a result. In a nutshell, the objective is to ascend this ladder as rapidly as possible. Finding a higher paying job is one approach to making extra money. If you are working somewhere that does not pay you enough to make ends meet, or that does not pay you enough to allow you to invest more, you must look for a better paying job. Sure, you could potentially receive a 3% raise at your current work. However, assess whether a 3% or 10% raise or whatever will be sufficient to significantly change your life in the direction you choose. No, it isn't. Statistically, changing jobs have a better probability of improving your income than earning a 3% rise at your present work, if your current employment even offers raises. Taking up a side hustle or launching a side business is another viable approach to get more money. The goal of a side hustle is to supplement your regular income from your day job. If you merely type in top side hustles into Google and click on any of the results, you'll get a slew of suggestions from a variety of websites. There are many side hustles you can begin that don't demand any skill, but you may still need to invest some time in learning a new skill. You would be surprised at how much you could do in a week if you sat back down for a week and completely dedicated yourself to learning a new skill. You don't need to be an expert in something to start making money with it. You can start making money very instantly if you merely understand the basics of how it works. Next is to start investing your money. Whether you invest in the stock market, real estate, or cryptocurrency, your money is always working for you. And the best part is that money never gets ill, never asks for vacation days, and never complains about being overworked. You will succeed if you put your money to work. But here's the catch. You have to learn how to properly put it to work first. And here's how you go about doing it. I strongly advise you to open a Roth IRA or retirement account if you haven't already. It's a form of account that lets you grow your money tax-free. You can invest in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds or ETFs in your Roth IRA. They essentially let you gain broad, diversified exposure over the whole stock market without doing any work. When you're making a lot of money, another thing to think about is investing in real estate. In particular, rental property. Real estate is undoubtedly one of the best methods to grow your wealth enormously because it allows you to leverage your money in a manner that the stock market does not. It's also a great way to generate passive money from your tenants' rent payments. Finally, the goal should be to put as much money into your job as feasible. Even if you earn substantially more money, if you can continue to live within your means and invest all of your excess income, your wealth will rise tenfold quicker than the average person's. Ultimately, the final point I would like to address is learning. Learning something new every day is one of the fundamental factors a person can significantly improve their income as quickly as possible. Learning how to be a better investor, teacher, and content developer. Everyone learns in their own way. Some individuals like to read a book or listen to a podcast before getting started on something. On the other side, some people take the attitude of jump first, parachute second. To put it simply, it is not wasting time learning all of the trivial matters of everything before getting started. What will help you progress is learning from your mistakes and simply learning from the process. This holds true for whatever you do in life. You can never get started if you wait until you're an expert at something. You'll get paralysis analysis after a year of learning about something, and then you'll convince yourself of eventually not doing it. Yes, preparing is vital, but the best strategy is to just master the basic principles of something you want to start before finally diving in. As you advance throughout your path, you will encounter roadblocks that would need you to learn something new. Whatever it is, learn it and keep moving forward. It is not about being an expert to build riches. It is about your willingness to endure and refine your competence in order to bring value to several individuals as you please. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this has been an enlightening experience for you. And if you want to see more content like this, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first to see our latest uploads. See you in the next one.